Exercise number 15, 100 words per minute. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Sir, I welcome the increase in deduction in health insurance premium and further increase in this limit in respect of senior citizens. Stop. I would like to remind the Honorable Finance Minister that generally the insurance companies in the private sector do not entertain enrollment of people above 60 years of age. Stop. I urge the Honorable Minister to ensure strict compliance of the benefits announced in this budget by the insurance companies both in private and government sectors. Stop. It is true that a large part of India's population is without insurance of any kind, health, accident, or life. Stop. The announcement of creation of health insurance, Atal Pension Yojana and Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana for workers in the unorganized sector from the age of 18 to 40. Stop. Para. While coming to the health sector, I would like to point out the allocation is not enough, which is less than last year. Stop. Sir, it is not clear how the marginal allocation will take the family planning agenda and the new All India Institutes of Medical Sciences. Stop. In the revised estimates, the allocation was reduced, bringing the total health expenditure in the first 3 years of the 12th 5-year plan to rupees 70,000, way below the rupees 2 crores budgetary allocation targeted. Stop. Again, sir, as far as the Department of Health is concerned, as my friend was earlier stated that all human beings should have good health as it is wealth. Stop. Para. The government of Tamil Nadu has been taking many steps to establish a health community. Stop. In order to ensure that competent doctors and medical personnel are appointed in time in government hospitals, a medical recruitment board, the first of its kind in India, has been constituted in Tamil Nadu. Stop. For the welfare of the poor, the Chief Minister's comprehensive health insurance scheme is being implemented. Stop. Under this new insurance scheme, each family gets a cover of rupees 1 lakh per year and rupees 4 lakh in 4 years. Stop. For certain specific treatments, a sum of rupees 1.5 lakh is being given. Stop. In the last 3 years from 2011 to May 2014. Stop. Under this scheme, 6 lakh poor people have received treatment to the extent of rupees 1 crore. Stop. Of the above, 2 lakh persons have been treated in government hospitals. Stop. Again, the education sector faces one of the biggest budgetary cut in the current year's budget. Stop.